Hey guys, we're here at Neptune Cigar Superstore in Miami. Today we're going to be talking about how to properly calibrate a hygrometer. Now, when you first get a new humidor, it's very important that you test the calibration of the hygrometer in order to ensure that you're reading the proper humidity levels. Now, most of them are going to be available in one of two fashions, either on the outside of the box or on the inside of the box. Now, if you have one of the ones that is attached to the outside, usually you can just go ahead and pop it out, from the inside. Now, in order to test the calibration of this hygrometer, we're going to use what's commonly known as the salt method. To do this, get a plastic bag such as the one that the cigars you bought came in, or any Ziplock will do. Place the hygrometer inside. Next, you want to take a bottle cap and add roughly 2 spoonfuls of regular table salt. Next, get some water and add just a little bit to the salt. Careful not to put too much because then it'll dissolve it and this will all be useless. Okay, place it in the bag with the hygrometer and ensure that it is firmly sealed. Let it sit for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you want to go ahead and look at the hygrometer inside the bag to see what it is reading. It should be reading 75. If it is anything other than 75, up or down, just take note of the difference and go ahead and adjust accordingly in the next step, which I will show you now. If there was a discrepancy between 75% and what it is actually reading, you want to go ahead and take a small tool like a little screwdriver, and on the back of the hygrometer, there is a dial. If it was a 5% discrepancy, 10% discrepancy, whatever it is, just adjust it, up or down as needed. Now, there is something you can do, a little helpful tip. You can go ahead and buy a digital hygrometer. A digital hygrometer, they're always proven to be a little bit more accurate, and they usually come calibrated from the factory. So it is a wise investment, if I can say so. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or if you want to see some tutorials along with this one, please visit us at neptunecigar.com. Or you could also visit us in person in one of our superstores in South Florida.